Hello and welcome to Yarn Addict Adventures. In this video, we're going to learn how to make the double crochet stitch. I'm using a cone of Lily Sugar and Cream cotton yarn and a 5mm hook, size I. I have already worked a foundation chain and a beginning row of single crochet stitches. To make double crochet stitches, we're going to start with a turning chain 3 chains tall. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3 chains. That will bring us up to the correct height for double crochet stitches, and we're going to turn the work. You're going to wrap a yarn around the hook, then you will insert it into the stitch, grab some yarn on the other side, and pull it through the stitch so that we have 3 loops on the hook. Then you will wrap the yarn around the hook, and you will pull this yarn through only 2 of the loops so that you have 2 left. You're going to wrap again and pull through those 2 loops. That is a double crochet stitch. Wrap, insert, grab some yarn and pull it through, wrap, pull through only 2 of the loops, wrap again, pull again, wrap, insert, grab some yarn and pull it through, wrap, pull through 2 stitches, wrap, pull through the last 2 loops, wrap, insert, pull up a loop, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through the last 2, wrap, insert, pull up a loop, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. And last one. Wrap, insert, pull up a loop, wrap, pull up 2, wrap, pull through 2. This is the chain row. These are single crochet, and these are double crochet. That is how you make double crochet stitches. If you liked this video and want to learn more, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Check out my website, yarnaddictadventures.com, for free patterns and more. Follow me on Pinterest at yarnaddictToo, and join me on my knitting and crocheting adventures.